How to get a Spotify receipt. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get a Spotify receipt, so make sure to watch this video till the end. There could be two types of receipts that you're talking about. One is the receipt for your top artists, top tracks and top albums, if you want to get the receipt for that. Another receipt could be you're talking about your payment subscription receipt, and to view either of these, what you want to do is we want to be able to do from the app. So open your browser. To get started with the first option, that is to view your top tracks or top albums receipt, you have to go to receiptify.herokuapp.com, and also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. When you come to this website here, you'll find this option called login with Spotify. Just make sure to tap on it and then make sure to sign in. As you do that, right over here you'll be able to see the top tracks, top artists, top genres and stats and so on. You can just select what kind of receipt you want, and if you scroll down you'll see those receipts load up over here. It's kind of cool and it's really nothing necessary, but it's just a cool thing that we can do. The other type of receipt that you could be talking about could potentially be your payment receipt, and to view that you have to open up a new tab and go to spotify.com again. Then make sure to sign into your account. Then you have to tap the gear icon that is located on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then right there you'll find view account. You want to make sure to tap the view account option. As you tap the view account, here you'll find account overview. Tap the drop down menu next to account overview, and then here you'll find this option called receipt. And when you go to the receipt tab, basically you'll be able to see all of the payment receipts that you've ever made on Spotify. So these were the two receipts that you could be talking about and how you can get the Spotify receipt. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.